flying movements. This is wonderful. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Just taking the helicopter, flying over all these mountains. I have no idea if you can hear me from the helicopter, but I'm out on the top of the Fox Glacier on the Neve. This is where the glacier starts. But 300 years later on, it melts and become water once again.